guys, it's Jazzy, and I'm here with Megan Thee Stallion.
I'm her.
Miss Stallion, how you doing today?
I feel good. I'm excited.
I'm also excited too. All right, everyone. So Megan Thee Stallion is college educated.
Megan Pete.
So, so why was earning a degree in higher education, especially in health administration, important to you?
I feel like I really wanted to get my degree, not just for myself. I really wanted to get it for my mom and my grandma. I was like, dang, I really wish I can get involved in it some kind of way and help everybody be able to take care of their grandma in a cool way.
Right, and it's great that you're willing to help people in need, especially with your degree. And remember, guys, education is important, and life teaches you a lot, but it's important to learn in the classroom too.
Yes.